guys, Tom and Julie here from Truex Outdoor Sports, and we are down at Magoon Creek Preserve, and we are headed down to the beach to go see if we can find some beach glass or anything else that strikes our fancy. You know, we're rockhounds here, a lot of times more her than me, but hey, it's stuff we can do together. We did decide to go on a little adventure though. You can usually walk down the driveway to get down to the beach, but we saw a little side trail, and there's a lot of trails are here at Magoon. And so we decided to take the little side trail, and now we are in the middle of the woods in a beautiful winter wonderland, if you like that sort of thing. And yeah, let's see what we find. And Sean's got another one on. Ooh, that's a good one. It's time! Sometimes drastic times call for drastic measures. We came out here, didn't think it'd be this wavy, but wow. Well, we found this spot where the rocks are kind of close, and so we're doing running scoops. Let's see what we get. Come on.
You just gotta go. Oh, that's kind of cool.
That wasn't a very good one. Let's try. I think I'm about to get it. Ooh, I think I found some brown glass.
Oh, there's a green one.
Right a green one too. There's green sea glass right there. Got some brown. That's a good piece of brown.
Yeah.
It's got some texture on it, like bottle texture going on. It is cool. All right, let's see what's on next cube. Keep going.
Do you want me to
keep going?
See, my Christmas present benefits you too.
It benefits you. You're happy that I'm the one dodging the water.
Oh, please, I'd go out there.
Oh, baby Petoskey.
Aw. Look at that. It's a cute little baby Petoskey. What's that brown one down there?
Where?
Brown and white.
This one?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know.
Some kind of fossil.
Might be egg. There's a little banding looking stuff right there.
Yeah, I don't know.
No? Yes?
Nah.
Okay.
I found better.
Alright. Not a very successful scoop on that one.
I don't know, this sounds kind of cool. It's a little fossil suit pack stone.
What?
Look at that one.
Oh, wow.
That's a cool water agate.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. It's all up in there too.
Let's see, can you see it in that little area there?
There's banding in there.
Oh man, look at that.
It's really cool.
That's why we come out here, folks. So I was just telling Julie how I wanted to go hike out to some falls, and there's not usually falls here, but there is a little bit of falls here right now, just because of how winter has routed the creek. So I present to you Magoon Creek Falls.